on a ripped camping mat, his softest bed, with a patchy orange cat resting on his chest. She's his thread. He wore duct tape shoes, life had weathered him so, but in the flickering light he found a warmth we couldn't know. Cold wind whispers low where the shadows fade, in a city of lost dreams lovers never trade. He said she chose me while the world turned away. In the heart of the night we found a better way. The first time I met him, I saw the signs. A soul so broken, but his spirit still shines. With each cup of soup and the muffin I'd give, he'd smile and say thanks for the little things that lived. Hazel was her name, draped over him tight. In a world full of chaos, she was his light. Cold wind whispers low where the shadows fade, in a city of lost dreams lovers never trade. He said she chose me while the world turned away. In the heart of the night we found a better way. But then one dark night they vanished from sight. 3 cold nights passed, whispering hope took flight. I asked around, but no one seemed to care. Just an empty pavement where loved ones bloomed rare. Then this morning came a flash of orange light. Hazel stood alone in the early dawn's bite. She looked right at me like she'd waited here, in the shadow of neon where the love was clear. Where's he gone, I wondered, my heart filled with dread. But in her eyes I saw the warmth that he spread. Cold wind whispers low where the shadows fade, in a city of lost dreams lovers never trade. He said she chose